Last time, I set sail on my first ever van build. No, I wasn't building out a Mercedes Sprinter or a Ram ProMaster. I was building out a Chrysler Town & Country minivan that I got for free. I built out two pieces of furniture, the couch and the bed, which were both almost identical. I encountered lots of challenges, but worst of all, I had no headroom. But today we're going to fix those by taking apart everything that I made last time. Like you just saw, I'm a tallish guy, so I knew that life would be hard in a minivan, but I would still like some headroom. The original plan was to make the couch and bed 15 inches high, because that's how high the car seats were. But I measured wrong, because I had no headroom. I was planning on using the underside of the couch and bed for storage, but that won't be able to happen anymore, because currently there's a large 6 or 7 inch gap between the two pieces of plywood, but soon there will only be a 3 or 4 inch gap. Well, if I wanted to finish this van project, I'd have to get started tearing this apart. After unscrewing everything, I just separated the legs from the bottom, and it was in two pieces. All I have to do now is unscrew the legs. After the legs were unscrewed, I cut off 3 inches and screwed them all back on. There's probably an easier way to do all this, but I couldn't think of one. After taking it all apart, just to make some minor adjustments, I screwed it all back together, put it back on the bottom part, and screwed it all back on. I finally had it. Now, just sit back and enjoy my seat that'll give me all the headroom in the world. Nope. I still didn't have any headroom or comfortable seating positions. But I had an idea. The reason why I didn't have any headroom wasn't due to the height of the couch. It was because the van roof sloped down towards the back. All I had to do was bring it up towards the front, and I had all the headroom in the world. And success. I did that same process to the bed, and it's nice and short, and everything works well. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching some kid take apart a bench and put it back together. Thanks for watching.